Kit 262 Series Stair Installation Instructions for 4x4 wood posts. Install tensioning terminal. Grip the cable with cable gripping pliers approximately 3/16 inch away from the swedged stud. Install receiver over threads of stud about 5 to 6 turns. Bend cable between stud and cable gripping pliers approximately 35 to 45 degrees. Remove stud from receiver and install receiver into desired end post. Remember to install 7/16 SAE stainless steel flat washer. Reinstall stud into receiver at least 5 full turns. Feed cable through intermediate posts. Insert a post protector tube, ordered separately, into the wood post where the cable angles out of the post for the swedgeless terminal. Force tube into post so it's flush with post face. Install swedgeless terminal. Slip the 7/16 SAE stainless steel flat washer over the body of the pull-lock fitting. Rotate the pull-lock fitting clockwise as you push it onto the cable. If the cable begins to unravel, you're rotating the fitting in the wrong direction. Push the pull-lock fitting along the cable and firmly into the hole in your post. Pull on the cable. To create as much tension as possible, cut the cable flush with the hole in the back of the fitting using a cutoff wheel. Press the cap onto the lip of the pull-lock fitting. Tension cables. Move back to the receiver and stud end of cable and attach cable gripping pliers to the cable as close as is practical to the fittings without contacting the end post. Rotate the receiver to create desired tension on the cable. You may have to move the cable gripping pliers several times to avoid contact with the end post. Tension all cables in sequence, beginning with the center cables, moving up and down toward the top and bottom. Move to pull-lock end of the run, and you're going to create a sharp bend in the cable where it exits the post protector tube. If tension has diminished slightly as a result of the bending of the cable, retension the receiver as described back up to desired amount, making sure to prevent rotation of the cable by gripping it with cable gripping pliers while rotating receiver.